this short video, let's handle third-party paper because I'd like to showcase the artificial intelligence feature that the CLM has. Right, so we're going to do third-party paper here, and we're going to hit, again, our e-form. This time it knows it's third-party paper, and we want to pick our agreement. So we're going to select that. It's going to upload the agreement to the server, the CLM server, and now it's going to kick off our process. Now, there's no merging of data with this one. This is taking a signed agreement that's been fully executed, and it's uploading it. Does it have to be assigned fully executed? No, it could be anybody's paper, to be honest. But at this time, for this example, that's what we're working with. So as we can see the progress bar go across, we're looking at 35 seconds this time. Server performance as well as network and other variables far out of our control all impact this. But here again, the user is going to be redirected to the agreement that they uploaded. The AI bot here will run and do the summary of this, but we're going to look at our instructions here and we're going to say, oh, this is third-party paper, legal is required to review it. Okay, let's send it to legal. So we're going to now kick this down the road to legal. For purposes of the CLM, it's going to tell the user, hey, you're all set, you're good to go. And then they can refresh here and they'll see this update, depending again on how the traffic is handled. Emails are also being sent behind the scenes, and the inboxes are filling up with requests for things to happen for purposes of review. Okay, we're in legal review. Now, if I was in legal and I was living in the CLM or in my inbox and not in Salesforce, I could get to it that way. If I wanted to and I'm legal and I'm in Salesforce, I can get to it this way. So we're just going to pop this open here. Now it's with legal. We can see legal has to review this and look at any history, etc. so forth. Well, what are the choices legal has? Well, out of the box, we're offering them the ability to analyze the document with the AI. Now this is DocuSign's LLM. So that means that this document, when it gets sent to the DocuSign LLM, hopefully there's a legal agreement that says you can use our data for training or you can't. That's beyond the scope of this conversation, but these are all the options. Let's analyze this. So this is helping to train DocuSign's LLM. Again, that's something that the agreement between the DocuSign and the customer would have to figure out. So it went off and it's already come back. All right, so this is now saying, okay, we went and took a look here and we're determining that this is a master services agreement based on what we found there. We can also take a look and see, oh, that's the customer. Yep, we're good there. And that's a notification that pops up, no control there, that's stock. Okay, it looks like it was signed, the effective date was there, doesn't see an expiration, and then we go through here and we can just get rid of renewals and termination at this point. As we go through here, you're going to see that the analysis took place. Now you still want a human in the loop on this. I don't think most people would want any true just click and go, so a human should be looking at these things. That's why we're with legal right now. And in this instance, it found 2 locations, so we'll accept and say that's correct. So we'll just be click happy here. These are just yes, no's at this point. And again, it'll point you right to where it thinks the information is correct. What else is here though? These are custom attributes that out of the box we offer the client. So we have signature details. This information was not extracted from the document. This information was taken from Salesforce. So you can see that we already pre-populated this information. And if we had the company signatories set and ready to go, which in this case, third-party paper, you don't really do that, you would have that, but you can enter that information and save it all. Okay, so that's another thing that we can do with this that is out of the box and customizable, of course. Now we're at legal, we're ready, we're done, we've analyzed it. Could we look at it again? 100%, but we don't need to, and we're going to send it back to the requester. The final step here for legal in this workflow is to say this document should be locked down, so it should not be sent for signature. So we have a way to do that, and it basically says, hey, do not send for signature. Right? It's already been signed. This agreement was fully executed. There is no need for the requester to send this out. They shouldn't. So this process now for legal is complete. And what we will see as this gets redirected, we will see that this will eventually change from in legal review back to in requester review. And there it is. So this integration between DocuSign CLM and Salesforce, built with two custom objects, one custom flow, and a myriad of other features, allows us to offer an accelerator that covers more or less the universe of what a customer would want. Beyond these offerings, it's customization, and that is very possible because this architecture is scalable, maintainable, and supportable. Thanks.